Hi, I am in Mangalore at present and I will be preparing these recipes from Mangalore. So today I am preparing silverfish Rava fry, or as they call in Mangalore, Bolanjir Rava fry. For this I am using 250 grams of silverfish to be cut and cleaned, and this is 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed or jeera powder, about 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and about 2 tablespoons of vinegar to make a paste of this spices with the vinegar and little water, and then mix the cleaned silverfish in that and keep it aside for about 20 minutes. Afterwards, dip it in semolina or rava and then shallow fry it. Cleaning the silverfish. So, first taking off the scales with a sharp knife, just take off the scales, and then we will take off the fins and clean take off the head and clean the insides, wash them properly, and then we will dip it in the masala paste, and then the semolina or rava, and then fry. The silverfish is all cleaned, head is taken off, the insides are taken and washed properly. Now we are going to prepare the masala. So we are mixing all the masalas together. All the powders are put in with the salt. Now we'll add little vinegar, about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And little water to make a smooth paste. Now we'll mix it all together and make a smooth paste. Now we'll add the silverfish to it. And mix it well so that all the silverfish are nicely coated with the masala, and then we'll keep it aside for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we've got the rava or semolina. We will then dip each one of them into the semolina and keep it aside, and then shallow fry it. I have dipped the marinated silverfish in semolina or rava and kept it aside. Later I will fry it in a little oil, shallow fry them. Now I am frying the silverfish. So heated up a pan and put little oil. When the oil is hot, I will add the semolina wrapped coated silverfish and shallow fry them. So I'll fry it on one side and then turn it around and the other side. I have fried the one side and turned it over. Now a minute later I'll take it off. That's it. Silverfish rava fry.